Kastking. Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back. I'm Mark and you are watching Down to Fish. Guys, today we're actually fishing with the one and only guys, Mr. Matt Allen himself. The fake one, not the real one, but he's still real because he's alive, and he's still alive, so that's good. He's on the boat. But guess what, guys? We are out in Alabama, Lewis Smith Lake. I don't know why we're out here, but Mr. So some spotopotamus, he says. Hopefully the wind is not too crazy right now. It's pretty windy, and we're fishing. We just put in. We came up to this first spot over here. There's some big spots out here to be caught. So let's kick 2020's ass and start off the new year catching some big old spots on Lewis Smith Lake. You guys stay tuned for that bass action. What are you gonna do? Boat flip it? You want the net? Is it? Looks like it's fighting pretty good. Oh yeah! Oh dude!
That's a good one.
That is a good one.
Pretty good one right there. Go. First fish of the day.
First fish of the day, Mr. Matthew Allen.
Little swim bait.
Look at that. Good Lord, look at that freaking spot, dude.
It's a little guy. They get a lot bigger than that.
Holy moly.
All right, buddy. Go back, tell your buddies.
Awesome.
We're open for business.
Heck yeah, dog. Kitchen is open.
Answer that question.
Oh yeah. Yeah, look guys, you can see what we're doing right there. We found some fish right there. It's just a long point. It's about 40 foot deep, 42. There's some fish down there. Look, that's a fish right there. That's some bait. There's another fish right there. They're just kind of coming up and snatching one and going back down. And I'm blade baiting. And Mr. Matthew is throwing a swim bait. A little swim bait. Yep. Barely. Oh, I got a stick! Oh, yeah! 2020, that's my first catch, dude! Oh, no, I lost it! No! Oh, wow! Now, that's the way to start a year right there, boys and girls. There's one. There's one. All right, boys and girls. There's one. Oh, it's a good one, too. Oh, yeah. I don't know. Yeah, boys. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah, son. Look at that.
Look how pretty they are.
Oh no, dude. Look at that, boys and girls, on the shaky head. Oh yeah. We just came up here in this, like, well, it all looks like creeks. So, but we found this little run-in, they call them. So anyways, this is a nice little Alabama spot. Beautiful fish. Golly, these are so much fun. Let's go catch another one. Thank you. Got one? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I'm gonna help you?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Relax. Chill out. Let me get the net. Let me get the net. Relax. It's not that big.
It's a good one.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, I thought it was a giant. These things pull so hard.
There we go, guys.
Little guy.
Little guy.
Throw back and get another one. See it. Use that. Here you go.
Oh, it's a oh, Matthew over here is messing around, and guess what? He got sniped, son. Sniper. Yeah, he thumped it. Look at that. Boys and girls, boys and girls. Hey, I don't know why we decided to come out here, Matthew, but I'm glad we did. I mean, it's been fun, dude. Like, trying to figure them out. Well,
they're fun to catch.
We come out here not really knowing too much about the lake, and just kind of figuring stuff out, you know, just kind of testing ourselves, our skills. And we're out here catching these nice, look at that, nice spots. That's Alabama spots for you right there, boys and girls. There you go. Got one? Got one. Got one. It's a little one.
Oh, wait. Oh, God. Dang. Oh, you ain't that small. Hi, little guy.
Yeah, no.
Hi. Hi, little one. Ah. Fun to catch.
Yeah. How many is that?
It's like 4 or 5. Another one.
There you
Another
go.
one bites the dust. And another one does.
Get on the roller. That was immediate, dude. Like, instant. Matt is over here slaying him now. He's got a freaking roto worm hat on. I like it. There's one. Oh!
What happened?
Dang it, dude!
Yeah! Yeah! Catch it?
Yeah, I got him! I got him! Look at that! I told you! Shake, shake, shake! Shake, shake, shake! Look at that! Mwah. I love it! I love it! He bit it 3 times!
Look on my hook.
What happened?
It's a scale.
Oh, you got one? You had one?
Yeah, one bit it.
Look at that, boys and girls. Beautiful spot.
The eye's bleeding out of his eye.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oops, I got him. I got him though.
I'll say. You got good.
I told you, like, dude, there's something right there. I got bit twice. Once on the way up, another time kind of on the way up, and this third time I was just shaking it at the bottom, like underneath the sonar. Oh gosh, it's been so fun out here. I don't know what it is. It's a new lake. Never been here before. Matt's been here one time, twice or something. But it's so much fun. Figuring them out. Putting something together. It's awesome. Got one, son. I saw that thing load up too. Still one? No.
Yes, it is.
No, it ain't.
You want to bet me?
Bet it.
I'll bet you $100.
What?
But that's the biggest one of the day.
Yeah. Holy cow!
I was like, you want to bet me? I saw it. That's a hammer right there, dude.
Look at that, boys and girls. He choked it. Oh my gosh, dude.
That's a 2.5, right?
Oh yeah, son.
Look at that. He choked it.
Choker.
That's a chunky monkey. Oh, he knocked it. Did you see my rod?
Yeah, it went.
Went dong.
Guys, how is there not a fish right here? Really? Like, come on. We've been catching them like this throughout the whole lake, and we could come to like the best looking one, and there's not a fish. Come on, that's not good. Guys, check out this house over here. It's like, I don't know. Look at that rock face right there, dude. That's crazy. They got a nice walkway all through there. It's insane. You think they got money? Nah. Well, boys and girls, I guess that's it. We had a fun day out here on Lewis Smith Lake.
Smith, but the locals call it Smith Lake.
All right, Smith Lake. The locals call it Smith Lake. It was pretty fun. it was a pretty good day. We just, I don't know what got into us, but we said, hey, let's get out there to Alabama and fish something different. Yeah, definitely fish something different, man. It was pretty fun, dude. I'm glad I made it out here with you. Are you gonna give me that fish so I can show it to the boys and girls at home? Oh gosh, yeah, it's a good one.
It's a decent one.
It's a good size one. But guys, what worked today for us was a shaky head. Matt was also throwing a single swim bait, a little small finesse one. Guys, if you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're watching the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Don't forget to hit your little dinner bell button so I can feed you guys some more videos. Y'all know when the next video is coming out. Mr. Matthew over there is fumbling, but he said, I'm trying not to get wet. Oh yeah,
There he
there
is.
you go, boys and girls.
They're so pretty. Got a little over 2 pounder.
It's a
They get a
beautiful,
lot bigger.
That's
They
a-
get up 4 or 5 pounds.
that's a
Feel its
beautiful,
teeth.
beautiful specimen right
Feel its
there.
teeth.
And teeth, sharp, big, long fella right here. Thing was what, like 17 inches?
16.
16 and a half, it was close to 17. But yeah, boys and girls, boom, check that out. Let's get this year freaking started with the bang. Alabama was awesome. Just going back to Tennessee. See y'all boys later. Y'all catch us soon. And yeah, y'all stay tuned for that bass action. Peace.